Hey Siri, take me to RKA.
Getting directions to RKA luggage. Starting route to RKA luggage. Head southwest on Autoboni Drive.
Hey Senna, volume down.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto South Cloverdale Boulevard. You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Okay, arriving at RKA. And we usually park the bike out in front, but I'm going to point it right into the door because we're going to take it inside and set it up for a little video today. We're going to attach the pad to the seat, and the pad will fit on a small seat, a medium-sized seat, a big seat, just about any seat. So let's get started. So this is the pad that's going to go on the seat. So what we're going to do is open up this plentiful webbing, and we're going to set it on the seat, center it the best that we can. Turn it upside down. Get the front one stabilized pretty good, about where you want it, and snug it down. And then we're going to flip it back over and see how we're doing. So it looks pretty centered. So we'll go back and flip it over again. Go through the keeper. We're going to snug this puppy down. And I can see from looking at it on the bottom that those keepers are pretty much centered. So there's the pad. Nothing touches the bodywork, nothing scratches your motorcycle. In order for our saddlebags to work on any motorcycle, there are three factors. They need a passenger seat. They need an area around the foot pegs where you can attach the front straps on the left and the right. And you need a fender. Now, if you don't have one of these things, it's pretty much okay, except for the seat. The saddlebags do not work well with a plastic cowling. Okay, now that we have the pad on the seat, we're going to go ahead and put the seat on the bike. Now, when we get done with everything, we're going to cut these off. But for right now, we're just going to go ahead and continue on with the saddlebag installation. So we're going to start with the right side bag and put it where we want it. Now we want these keepers to be free so we can put the bag on, the seat bag on. So we'll put that down. And we'll put that down. And you can see, so we'll take the left side bag now and get it lined up. Now we have them on. Now on the back here, we have the back strap. And the back strap's going to go over the fender, under the license plate, or something like that. It cannot go here guarantee the tire will come up and hit it. So we're going to go here, connect it through there. I'm going to take it by hand and pull in the saddlebag. See the saddlebag coming to level position? Now the bags are pretty much level. Run the webbing through this keeper. Close the cam buckle. Now we have them level in the back. Now on the left side over here is the strap that holds the bag to the bike in the front. So we'll run this through, and we've already cut these webbings for this bike, so you will get a lot more webbing to play with. So we're going to pull them forward, close the cam buckle. That one's nice and solid. Same thing on the right side. We have the sliding cam buckle. Goes through the passenger foot peg area. Snug it down. Make sure the webbing is in the center of the cam buckle and close it. Now that we have the bag secured, we're going to expand them, and when they're expanded, they're a full 50 liters and they will hold a full face helmet, at least most helmets. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the main compartment, and then we're going to open up the expansion here. And you can see there's a runner right here, goes all the way around. So we're going to take that other insert, run them all the way around, and there's a keeper up in here that it goes into, and now you have 50-liter saddlebags, and they're nice and solid, won't move, won't go anywhere, and there it is.